Hi guys, today we have got the two kinds of portable microscope. The appearance is very similar, but there's still some difference. And they have the same lens with 130 magnification. You can change it with each other. And the right one with the plastic base, the left use the metal base. It's equipped with the HDMI and VGA industrial camera. At the ring light, you can control the ring light through the knob switch. Now replace the motor lens. Then I will show you how to restore the microscope step by step. Restore the ring. And then microscope holder. Now install the lens. Install the ring light. We can adjust the brightness of the ring light through the knob switch. Now install the HDMI and VGA industrial camera. Now we have connected the microscope to the display through the industrial camera. Now we will observe the motherboard through the display. In this video, we have introduced the portable microscope and its equipment, including the ring light and the industrial camera. You can use the microscope to repair your phones and its motherboard. You can buy it on our phone fix shop. Subscribe our channel and see you next time.